Hello viewers of EDH, this is Teacher Gilbert again, your trainer in English at EDH. Today, I'm going to teach you how we greet people in English. Uyu munsi ngiye kukwigisha uburyo dukoresha dusuhuza abantu. But before we start, mbere yuko dutangira, I want you to understand what we mean by greetings. So greetings are first words we use when we meet people. Greetings ni amagambo ya mbere dukoresha iyo duhuye n'abantu, haba ku kazi, haba ku ishuri, muri make ahantu hatandukanye. So the first words you use when you meet people in different locations are greetings. Now, in English, native speakers use two types of greetings. Abene rurimi bakoresha mu Cyongereza bakoresha uburyo bubiri basuhuza abantu. Now let us see those two types. Reka turebe ubwo buryo bubiri. The native speakers like to use informal greetings. Abene rurimi bakunda gukoresha cyane informal greetings. Informal greetings ni uburyo dusuhuza abantu ariko ntabwo ari abantu bose. Tuzikoresha cyane cyane ku bantu tuziranye cyane, ku bantu tuzi cyane, ku bantu tungana, ku bantu turi mu kigero kimwe, ku bantu twisanzuraho. We use informal greetings when we are familiar with the people we are greeting, or we use informal greetings to greet people who are acquainted with us. Okay, now among informal greetings we have hi. Umuntu muri mu kigero kimwe, umuntu muziranye cyane, ushaka kumusuhuza ukavuga ngo hi. You can use this hi any time of the day. Wayikoresha igihe icyo ari cyo cyose. Wayikoresha mu gitondo, nimugoroba, cyangwa se anytime nyuma ya saa sita. Hi. Hi John. Hi Peter. Hi John. Hi Peter. Ubwo ni uburyo wasuhuzamo John. Hanyuma ubundi buryo wasuhuzaho umuntu ushobora kuvuga hey. Hey. Hey John. Hey John. Hey Peter. Ubwo ni ubundi buryo wasuhuzamo umuntu. You can even continually say what's up. What's up. What's up. Bimeze bite. What's up. Ni sawa, ni byiza. Ubu nabwo ni ubundi buryo wasuhuzamo umuntu. So these are three informal greetings we use. Mwibuke ko ubu buryo tubukoresha ku bantu tumenyeranye, ku bantu tuziranye, ku bantu twisanzuraho n'ibindi. Ariko urimo usuhuza nk'umubosi wawe, urimo usuhuza nk'umuntu mutaziranye, umuntu ukuruta mutaziranye, ntabwo ushobora kuvuga ngo hi, it's better to sound natural, it's better to sound professional. So if you are greeting a person who is superior to you, iyo usuhuza nk'umuntu ukuruta cyangwa se ukuyobora, ntabwo wavuga ngo hi, ntabwo wavuga ngo hey, ntabwo wavuga ngo what's up. Let us see formal greetings. Formal greetings bisobanuye ko ni uburyo dusuhuza abantu mu buryo bwemewe n'ururimi. Mu buryo bwemewe n'ururimi. How do we greet people formally in English? Now, look at here. We have three ways we can greet people in a very formal way. Formal greetings depend on the time of the day. For instance, from morning up to 12 noon, kuva mu gitondo kugera saa sita zuzuye, dusuhuza abantu tuvuga ngo good morning. Good morning John. Good morning Peter. Good morning Alice. You see, uwo ushuhuje nawe asubiramo ibyo uvuze. Good morning Angel. Good morning Thomas, and so on. So you greet by saying good morning, and the person reply by saying good morning. Waramutse, waramutse, cyangwa se mwaramutse, mwaramutse. Byose bikubiye mu ijambo rimwe good morning. Iyo usuhuza abantu benshi icyarimwe, iyo good morning bivuze mwaramutse. Iyo usuhuza umuntu umwe ni nko kuvuga ngo waramutse, waramutse Paul. So we use good morning up to 12 noon, then we go to good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, John. Wiriwe, John. Good afternoon, students. Mwiriwe, banyeshuri. So good afternoon in Kinyarwanda translates into mwiriwe cyangwa se wiriwe. When do we use this greeting? Ubu buryo bwo gusuhuza tubukoresha ryari? Tubukoresha kuva saa sita n'umunota, kuva saa sita zuzuye kugeza byibuza nka hafi saa 12, approximately kugeza saa 12 usuhuza umuntu ukavuga ngo good afternoon, wiriwe. Good afternoon, John. Ushobora no gushyiraho izina wiriwe John iyo umuzi, cyangwa se mwiriwe, good afternoon. Now, before you quit a person, maybe you are having a conversation with a person or discussion and it's time for you to leave the person, you say, or I will come to that afterwards. Let's go to the third way we greet people. We can use also good evening. Good evening. Mugoroba mwiza. Good evening. You can even ushaka no gushyiraho izina. Good evening, Paul. Umugoroba mwiza, Paul. Good evening, Paul. Good evening, John. Good evening, and whatever and whatever. Now, these are three formal greetings we use in English. They are different from the first ones we have covered before. Remember, this hi, this hey, this what's up are used when you are acquainted well with the person, when you are familiar with the person you are greeting. But in case you are greeting people who are superior to you, like your leaders, your bosses, your parents, and so on, use formal greetings. Now, you can practice with me. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, John. The answer, igisubizo nawe urasubiza ngo good morning. Nimba kuvuza izina nawe ukabuza ibye ukarivuga. In afternoon, good afternoon. Wiriwe. Good afternoon, Mary. Wiriwe, Mary. Good afternoon, Paul. Nawe akagusubiza ngo wiriwe, Paul. Iyo tugeze mu mugoroba turavuga ngo good evening, umugoroba mwiza. Good evening, John. Umugoroba mwiza, John. Good evening, Peter. Umugoroba mwiza, Peter. Hanyuma iyo wari urimo kugirana ikiganiro n'umuntu, this is great, ukaba ugiye kugenda, mugiye gutandukana, if you are about to leave a person, if you are going to quit the person you were having a conversation with, you use good night. Ariko ubu buryo ntabwo ari ubwo gusuhuza. Good night ni nko kumwifuriza igihe gisigaye cy'ijoro n'umugoroba, ni ukumwifuriza umugoroba mwiza cyangwa se ijoro ryiza. Good night. Good night. Good night. Hanyuma umwe agacaho n'undi akagira gute, agacaho. So these are formal greetings we have in English. Now, if you want to know how a person is, iyo ushaka kumenya amakuru y'umuntu mu Cyongereza, umubaza uvuga ngo how are you? How are you? Use izina rye naryo urikiraho. How are you, John? How are you, John? How are you, John? Igisubizo nacyo kiba I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Number next. Hari uburyo bwinshi dukoresha. How are you, John? The answer is I'm fine, thank you. Ugashyiraho na thank you kuko ni uburyo buri formal, ni uburyo bwemewe n'amategeko y'ururimi. How are you, John? I'm fine, thank you. All ushaka gukoresha how do you do, ibaza umuntu amakuru. How do you do? Meze ute? How do you do? Hano ntabwo usubiza ngo I'm doing well. Urasubiza nawe ngo how do you do? How do you do? How do you do? And so on. Now, let me call Teacher Fabian to practice the greetings before we wind up this lesson. Fabian, please welcome to the stage. Okay. As we are waiting for Fabian to come here, let us practice. Good morning, waramutse. Good morning, waramutse. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, wiriwe. Good afternoon, Mary. Wiriwe, Mary. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Umugoroba mwiza. Good evening. How are you, John? How are you, John? I'm fine, thanks. I'm fine, thanks. How do you do? How do you do? Okay, now, Teacher Fabian.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Gilbert.
How are you, Fabian?
I'm fine, thank you.
Fabian,
Yes.
I'm teaching greetings.
Wow, that's a very good thing people should know. Because English greetings are very important. Greeting.
Yeah.
In our daily life, we need to greet people so that we can start a conversation.
That is nice.
And we need to know how they are.
Yes. Fabian, can you remind me how to greet people in the afternoon? Iyo bigeze saa sita, kuva saa sita kuzamura. Ni gute dusuhuza abantu?
Oh, yes. When we want to greet people in the afternoon, we say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, and you add the name of the person.
If
Good
you know,
afternoon, Gilbert.
If
I
you know
know
the
your
person.
name. Good afternoon.
Okay.
If it's someone whom we all respect, you say good afternoon, sir.
Ah, very
Good
good.
afternoon,
Madam.
madam.
Okay.
Good afternoon, even students.
How does it translate in our Kinyarwanda?
Oh, yes. When we greet someone in Kinyarwanda, maybe in the afternoon.
Yes.
Yeah. Ni nyuma ya saa sita.
Nyuma
Ni saa sita guhera saa sita kugera.
To mean good afternoon means
mwiriwe
cyangwa se
wiriwe. Biterwa niba ari umuntu umwe wiriwe, niba ari abantu benshi ni mwiriwe. Ubwo mwarimu nagera mu ishuri mwiriwe. When he says or she says good afternoon students,
yes,
it means mwiriwe abanyeshuri.
You are really helping our viewers to easily master English.
That is my dedication and my passion.
My last question probably is, how do we greet a person in the evening? In the evening, I mean, mu masaa 12 kuzamura.
Great. When it is in the evening, we say good evening.
Good evening.
And it depends on the person whom you are addressing to, whom or you are greeting.
Yes.
Maybe is a man, you say good evening, sir. Good evening. If it is already good evening, madam.
Okay.
Very nice. And remember, when I greet you good evening like this,
yes,
you have to reply by saying good evening too.
You mean we use the same?
Yes, the same way.
Very nice, Fabian. Now, I still have two questions.
Oh, welcome.
Fabian, greeting is one thing, but I may need to know how the person feels, how the person is, how the person was. How can I say so?
All right. Means that you meet someone, you need to know, you greet him first, then you need to know how he is.
Yes.
It depends.
Yes.
You say, how are you?
How are you? How are you?
Yes.
Then I can answer by saying good morning.
Yes.
If a person asks me how are you, I can answer by saying good morning.
Okay. No, we don't say, do not reply by saying how are you when someone says how are you or good morning. We say I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
Yeah, that's the way.
Mezeneza murakoze. I'm fine, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Another question, Fabian. How do we say when we'll separate, when we leave a person?
When it is a time, when it comes time to separate, you are going home and me too, I'm going to another way.
Ndagiye mu rugo, wait, ndagiye, nawe uragiye. Nyuma yo kuganira no kujyana tubivuga.
There are, you say good night if it is about like the night.
Of course, after good evening, good night.
Yeah. Sometimes people say goodbye, good day, nice day, but say good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night, Gilbert.
Okay, now, one word for our viewers.
Yes.
Tell
Oh yes, there are another way. I want to tell our beloved viewers. When someone says, "How do you do?"
How do you do?
How do you do? People tend to make a mistake by saying, "I'm doing good. I'm doing great. I'm
Yes.
not doing well." No, no, no. In English, every language has rules
Yes.
of greetings. Say when someone say, "How do you do?" Say, "How do you do?"
How do you do?
Simply,
How
do you do? How do you do?
How do you do, sir?
How do you do, sir?
Ah,
That's the way.
Fabian, you have
And
been you have been an asset for us. We are really looking forward to learning a lot of things from you.
It's my pleasure. Yeah,
Nice.
I'm here to serve our beloved followers,
Nice
viewers.
to have you at EDS.
I ask them one question.
Yes.
It's very, very easy.
Yes.
You go in comment, just let us know how we can best serve you, and also subscribe. There is a bell where you hit subscribe and like. Please share others so that can even benefit from these blessings you have been given from heaven.
Excellent.
All right.
May God
Thank you
bless
so much.